How to fix Discord high CPU usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Under App Settings, scroll down and select Advanced. Find the Hardware Acceleration option. Hardware acceleration in Discord uses your computer's GPU to manage tasks that would typically be processed by the CPU. Disabling it can help lower CPU usage on systems. Toggle it off or on, depending on your circumstances. If that didn't work, SFC DISM are Windows utilities that can repair corrupted system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, Discord stores temporary data in cache files to speed up performance. Over time, these files can become corrupted or bloated, leading to increased CPU usage. Clearing the cache can resolve these issues.